Today we are breaking down one of the Google's most powerful AI tools, Google AI Studio. If you are a web developer or backend developer or someone who wants to build AI-powered applications without expensive hardware, this video is definitely for you. Let's get started. So what is Google AI Studio? Google AI Studio is a browser-based platform where you can build, test and integrate AI using Google's latest Gemini models. You don't need to install anything. You can instantly start generating text, writing code, analyzing images and documents, and exporting the results directly into your applications. Think of it as Google's developer playground for experimenting with AI. It's designed for all the professions, for web developers, backend engineers, mobile app developers, students, AI beginners, and even startup founders. Basically, if you are building websites or apps and want to add smart AI features, Google AI Studio is perfect for you. With this platform, you can do almost all the tasks. You can create and test prompts, analyze text, images and PDFs, generate or debug code, build chatbot, and create automated content, and even simulate real application scenarios. Whether it is an e-commerce app, a portfolio website, or SaaS tools, you can enhance it with AI in minutes. Behind the scenes, Google AI Studio runs on family of Gemini models, Gemini 2.0 Flash, 2.0 Pro, and Flash Thinking. These are multimodal models, meaning they can understand text, images, audio, video, and document all together. Let's start with the practical hands-on. To launch Google AI Studio, simply search for Google AI Studio on Google and open the portal. Once the portal is launched, inside the portal you will see different sections like chat models, code monitoring and usage. But for this video, I'm covering the coding section. The chat model sections work very similar to ChatGPT. So I will write a prompt here, example, to create a folder in Linux. It immediately gives clear instructions as ChatGPT also, but yeah, as I told you, it's something many of you may already be familiar with. It takes some time to generate the results. Maybe it's for the first time, network latency or something, but it is a little slow as compared to ChatGPT. Back and look at the monitoring and usage. So if you're using a Gemini API for automations, for the sections, for this section show how many requests you have made, traffic details, API consumptions, how much quota you have left. Now the next we can start with the dashboard is the main coding part. You can explore the gallery, which contains many pre-built templates. This includes complete websites, landing page, or image generating tools, and you can edit your applications, even small gaming templates, which is almost in the front-end side. Most of these examples are perfect for front-end development. Let's have a look at one of the template for the front-end website. This is kind of the landing page, so it will take some time to review. So it is rendering the website, so let's wait. Now the website is launched. You can see that the review here. It is pretty professional and responsive and generated within minutes using just a simple prompt. We can test in different modes also. We can do that from this dashboard. We can choose mobile mode, browser mode, or different sizes, interfaces, and this interface is impressive, very clean. Now we can start with our own applications. So we will prepare one prompt. So we are preparing a prompt for the application. So example, we can type a prompt here, create an application where I can create a task, like a task list. So we will give all the details, like create an application where I can create tasks or categories, category wise or subcategory wise, and we'll give some few pointers like what features you want. Like I want to delete the task by categories, or want to check or uncheck the tasks. So this complete and incomplete features will be there, and on top of that I want an analytics dashboard to view the test stats. The UI should be responsive. So also in the end you can add on to add more features based on the Gemini model understanding, so you can leave a note in the end. So this is our prompt. We could write a longer prompt with using some prompt script, but for now that is enough for testing. So it will take some time. AI Studio starts generating all the files almost instantly. It creates a component, package everything, and generate the main app file. It also tests the code automatically to ensure everything run without error, which will come later at this stage. It is taking some time in the backend. We can wait for a few time to generate the fully packaged application. So now I think it's in testing phase. It faced some errors, and fixing the error and testing before sharing. So compared to ChatGPT, it also tests the things which ChatGPT also does that, but it ensured that in the first attempt the result should be accurate. So finally it is done. It takes few seconds. Once everything is ready, the review will load on the screen. So now the application is loaded successfully, and we can create a task. First, look at the dashboard first. It's professional actually, and we can write a task. For example, 2025 new year tasks, and or your new year resolutions. You can give next. Yeah, you can choose anything for the categories or description. Once you create the task for testing, we will mark it as complete, and we have a dashboard to analyze it. So we can launch the analytic dashboard. It will show how many tasks we have completed, how many tasks is left. So the project is built using React. I think, yeah, it used React mostly. We can check in the code review. Let's review the code. This code is written mostly in the React. Yeah, it's React application. I think it deals mostly in the front-end languages like React and JavaScript and other languages. For Python and all, I have tried it last time also. It won't give the Python language output. It generates the front-end in React only. Other than that, we can deploy it. We can store it in Google Drive or download the package, and also we can deploy it on the Google Cloud. We can try that option by giving the project name here and set up. Okay, once we set up this project name, it will later ask for the billing. Since billing is not active right now, I can't deploy it directly, but the option is available. So you can do you can create your idea, launch it right now. Just after a few seconds, you'll build this app. This is pretty good. Now let's try to develop an app in some other language. Like example, can you develop Tkinter Python UI and make a calculator? So we will see if it can generate a Python Tkinter UI here. It will not, but let's see. Let's give it a try. So we have shoot the request. It will take some time to generate the files and test it. So finally it is done. So this is still a complete functional web-based calculator instead. Yeah, it's not in Python Tkinter. Yeah, functionality wise it is fine. It is almost in the front end again. But yeah, it's good. But as we confirm that it's mostly in the front end language, it's not in the back end. And that brings us to end of this hands-on session with Google AI Studio. We explored templates, built a full task management apps, reviewed the UI, and tested additional use cases. There's a lot more to cover, and I will bring more tutorials soon. If you enjoying this video, let me know. Thank you for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Thank you.